In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero to Power BI. This integration is useful for creating reports and dashboards from your Xero accounting data, making financial analysis easier. First, open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the 9-dot icon. A small menu will appear with different options. From here, select Xero App Store. You'll now be taken to the Xero App Store, where you can find different third-party applications that integrate with Xero. Look for the search bar and type Power BI. From the search results, find Connectly for Power BI and click on it. You'll be taken to the Connectly for Power BI app page. Here, you can review the app's features, pricing, and user reviews. Once you're ready to continue, click on Get this app. You'll now be taken to the Setup page. Look for the Organization drop-down menu and select the Xero organization you want to connect. After selecting the correct organization, click on Allow Access. This will give Connectly permission to access your Xero data and transfer it to Power BI. And that's it. You've successfully connected Xero to Power BI using Connectly. You can now use your Xero financial data to create reports and visualizations in Power BI. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.